Hey there folks, welcome back to the channel. Today, I've got a game-changing law that's going to turbocharge your marketing, business, and sales strategy. It's called Law 18 from the book, Diary of a CEO Fight for the First 5 Seconds. And trust me, after this video, you'll understand why these 5 seconds are make or break. But before we dive into it, picture this, a tense moment, an emotional conversation with my mom, and a pivotal decision that changed the course of my life. These words I'm about to share were my introduction on over 300 stages worldwide between 2015 and 2020. They set the stage for everything that followed. Now, here's the deal. In the world of marketing and sales, those first 5 seconds are your golden ticket. Nail them, and you'll succeed. Fumble them, and you're headed for failure. It's a lot like my school days. I had a knack for tuning out if things got boring, which eventually led to my expulsion. Now let me introduce you to a legend in the YouTube world, Mere Beast. With over 150 million subscribers and billions of views, he's no small fry. His secret? Those opening 5 seconds. He calls it the hook, a clear, compelling promise that grabs your attention, bypasses your brain's filter, and keeps you hooked. Check these out. I recreated every single set from Squid Game in real life. I put 100 people inside of a giant circle. I spent $2.5 million on this private jet. You see, he doesn't start with pleasantries or intros. He smacks you with a promise that makes you go, WTF? And that's what keeps you watching. Now, here's a little exercise. Imagine your customer. Let's call her Jenny. She's had a rough day, flat tire, pouring rain, late for work. She's frustrated, tired, and short on time. Now, think about what you'd say to Jenny in that moment to make her pay attention to you. That message is what you need to say to all your customers. That's why every law in this book starts with a compelling 5-second statement about why you should read it. It's all about grabbing your most uninterested customer's attention first. You see, those first 5 seconds can change your game entirely. Now, we've all heard the phrase, "You have the attention span of a goldfish," right? Well, recent research suggests that it might actually be a compliment. Human attention spans have dropped to 8 seconds, while goldfish hang on for 9 seconds. So, if someone says you're like a goldfish, say thank you. We're living in a world of distractions. We check our phones over 1,500 times a week, spending more than 3 hours a day on them. Emails? We check them 30 times an hour. Web page visits? A measly 10 seconds. It's a crisis, folks. I even spoke with Johan Hari, who wrote Stolen Focus. He traveled the globe, interviewing experts on attention and focus. We're in a crisis, with our attention spans shrinking faster than ever. Deep focus activities like reading have taken a hit. Now, let's get real. In my years of creating content, I've noticed a pattern. I lose a whopping 40-60% of viewers within the first few seconds in longer videos. Those opening moments dictate everything that follows. Here's a case in point, a client's video. It was hilarious, but it underperformed. Why? The first 5 seconds featured an establishment shot and a logo snooze fest. We suggested a re-edit, and boom, it went viral with 3 million views in a week. Just 5 seconds made a 150% difference. So here it is, Law 18, fight for the first 5 seconds. If you want your story to shine, make those initial moments thumb-stopping, magnetic, or emotionally engaging. Skip the pleasantries and get to the point. Earn the right to your audience's attention in those crucial first seconds. Remember, attention is a gift, a precious one. So start strong, start bold, and keep your audience hooked from the very beginning. If you follow this law, you'll be on your way to marketing, business, and sales success like never before. And that's a wrap for today, folks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe for more epic content, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a beat. Until next time, keep fighting for those first 5 seconds, and I'll catch you in the next video.